Welcome to this detailed and comprehensive video tutorial where we take you through the entire process of constructing a luxury villa bathroom roof using cement and gravel, following a professional step-by-step approach. Whether you're an experienced builder, a beginner interested in construction, or simply someone passionate about architectural craftsmanship, this video is designed to provide you with an in-depth look at the practical techniques, tools, and knowledge needed to complete a high-quality roofing project from scratch. In modern construction, building a strong and durable bathroom roof is not only a technical task, it's an art that demands precision, expertise, and the right materials. Bathrooms are particularly sensitive areas in any home, especially in villas where luxury standards and architectural beauty go hand in hand. A bathroom roof must not only offer structural support and water resistance, but also enhance the overall look and value of the property. In this video, we begin by exploring the essential groundwork required before laying a single layer of cement. You will see how the surface is carefully measured, leveled, and prepared to ensure maximum stability and a perfect fit for the structure. We'll guide you through the selection of materials, explaining the types of cement and gravel used, why they're chosen, and how they contribute to the roof's strength and longevity. As we move forward, we provide a hands-on demonstration of how to mix cement and gravel in precise ratios to get the ideal consistency for roofing. You'll learn about mixing techniques, hydration timing, and practical tips that help avoid common mistakes like cracking, improper drying, or uneven layering. Once the mixture is ready, the application process begins. Watch as we walk you through every step. From the first pour to the final smoothing, we show how to spread and level the cement layer, how to work around critical bathroom elements such as plumbing, ventilation spaces, and wall joints, and how to handle tight angles or corners that often complicate the job. Special attention is paid to slope creation for proper water drainage, an essential aspect in any bathroom roof to avoid leakage and dampness in the long term. We also take time to discuss reinforcement techniques that enhance the durability of the roof. Whether using wire mesh, rebars, or adding insulation layers, each method is explained clearly so that even non-professionals can grasp the purpose and effect of each step. For those who are considering future upgrades, such as tiling the interior, sealing, or adding waterproof paint, we share tips on how to prepare the surface accordingly. This tutorial doesn't just stop at the visible work. We dive into the behind-the-scenes knowledge that professionals use to make their work stand out. From curing methods that strengthen the cement over time, to advice on how to protect the roof during extreme weather conditions or unexpected delays. Throughout the video, we maintain a focus on safety and best practices. We show how to use protective gear, handle tools properly, and set up a clean, efficient workspace that minimizes risks and maximizes productivity. By the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of how to professionally construct a cement and gravel bathroom roof for a luxury villa. Whether you are planning a new build, managing a renovation, or simply expanding your construction knowledge, this video serves as a comprehensive guide for mastering this essential skill. Take your time. Follow each section carefully and don't hesitate to pause, rewind, or rewatch steps as needed. Quality construction is never rushed, and mastery comes with attention to detail. We hope this video inspires you, educates you, and empowers you to take your building projects to the next level. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more advanced tutorials covering every stage of villa construction, from foundation to finishing. As we continue deeper into the construction process, we now focus on the finer details that truly elevate a basic roof into a professionally executed structure. After the primary cement and gravel layers are applied and leveled, the curing process becomes the next vital stage. Curing is not just about letting the cement dry, it's about managing moisture retention to enhance the final strength, durability, and crack resistance of the roof. We demonstrate different curing methods such as water ponding, wet coverings, like burlap or plastic sheets, and spray techniques, and explain which method is best suited for bathroom roofing in a villa environment. Moreover, the video delves into techniques to minimize shrinkage and avoid surface defects that often result from temperature fluctuations or premature drying. By understanding the science of hydration and controlling environmental conditions, you can extend the life of your bathroom roof significantly. For those working in hot climates or exposed environments, we also cover tips on when to pour cement, best times of day, and how to protect fresh concrete from wind and sunlight. As the roof gains strength, we move on to the inspection phase. A true professional knows that a successful construction job is one that withstands both time and usage. In this section, we demonstrate how to test the roof's slope using water flow methods, how to check for level inconsistencies using a laser or bubble level, and how to identify any weak spots that may require a second layer or surface adjustment. 2. Support additional load-bearing capacity, such as for future tiling, waterproofing systems, or decorative finishes. We explore the use of advanced bonding agents and waterproof membranes. These additions ensure that the bathroom roof not only serves its functional purpose, but also supports any future enhancements without requiring reconstruction. This video also includes a special segment on architectural aesthetics. Since the bathroom in a luxury villa is part of an overall design vision, we touch on how the roof should align with the villa's style. Whether you plan to add a suspended ceiling, decorative lighting, or exposed industrial-style cement finishes, every construction decision at this stage should serve both practical and visual goals. As a bonus, we include time-lapse segments that show the entire construction from start to finish, offering you a visual summary and timeline of the work done. This helps in planning your own schedule and understanding how long each stage realistically takes under professional conditions. For DIY builders or supervisors overseeing a construction crew, we also provide practical time and cost-saving advice. This includes how to calculate the quantity of materials needed based on roof size, how to store excess materials properly, and how to avoid waste by reusing cut-offs and leftover mix for small patch jobs or reinforcements. We conclude this masterclass by discussing long-term maintenance strategies. Even a well-built bathroom roof needs regular checks, especially in a villa where humidity, heat, and water vapor are part of everyday use. Learn how to spot early signs of wear, how to reseal surfaces, and how to protect the roof from mold, leaks, or structural shifts over time. This video isn't just a tutorial, it's a professional reference that you can return to at any stage of your building journey. Whether you're constructing your dream villa, managing a construction team, or working as an independent craftsman aiming to improve your skills, this step-by-step breakdown ensures that every move you make is backed by logic, experience, and a deep respect for construction excellence. Take pride in your work. Construction is more than putting materials together. It's about building something that lasts, something you can point to with confidence and say, "I built that." Thank you once again for watching. Be sure to explore our full playlist. For more tutorials on villa construction, interior and exterior finishing, waterproofing, tiling, and decorative elements that can turn any space into a luxurious masterpiece.